Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add an image field in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on the Create Form button. Then select a blank form here. Now write your form name. Here, search for the image field. Drag and drop the image field from the right sidebar into the form builder. Then navigate to the image field settings. Name is the unique identifier for the field, and you can also modify it if needed. Admin label is used for administrative purposes and allows administrators to set a label name that will appear on the entries page. You can adjust the size and position of the field using these options. This option allows you to upload an image file via the Browse feature that will be displayed on the front end of the form. Here, you can customize the width and height of this image to suit your preferences. This option allows you to add alternative text for the uploaded image, which will be displayed if the image cannot be viewed. Then click on the Update button. Now let's preview the form to review the image field. Here, you can see that the image field has been successfully added to the form. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.